Happy Halloween from Eva Trades. My name is Josh, and this is the $100,000 account challenge, day 21. Do you have anything to say besides breathing heavy? I guess not. All right, let's go do some trading. Remember, day trading is risky, and to always use a stop loss and trade in a simulator and protect your hard-earned money by practicing a strategy first. Welcome to Eva Trades. That's YVA Trades. And we can take a look here at my progress real quick in the simulator. I'm up $71,585, $586. So pretty good so far. Getting close to that $100,000 mark. So I'll push play. This is the simulator. It's August 16th at 6:25 in the morning. Give me 1 second. Okay, I had to let the mouth breather out. He was taking up all my microphone space with his heavy breathing. Okay, so the clock is ticking at 6:25 and 40 seconds, so we have less than 5 minutes to the bell. I pulled up some of the stocks off the gap scan. This is a copy of the gap scan. This is the leading gappers in the market this morning, and FRZA is the leading one. Up 39.6%, not too bad. You know, it could be better, but we are consolidating on it. ARTL is the second leading gapper. AMTD is the third leading gapper, and they have some pretty nice volume, and the floats aren't bad. This one just started actually making its move here, so. And on my other screen over here to the right, I have TGL and MEGL. Both off of the gap scanner, even though they don't look quite as good. Everything here this morning so far, with maybe the exception of ARTL, is in consolidation right now. So we'll go ahead and mark out some support levels. We'll find some support levels that we may be able to trade off of. There's a pivot here on FRZA at 850. The one thing I'm a little concerned about, so we're trading below the VWAP, so we may be seeing further consolidation. Let's take a look real quick. You see the hourly time frame on FRZA, and here I have the 15-minute time frame. I step them down. I go hourly, 15, 5, 1 minute. So the larger time frame here, we are pulling back to that 850 level, yes, but I do also see a pivot at 750 that we broke out over. That's a post market from yesterday, so a 2-bar pullback. I don't know. We'll see. May see further consolidation on that one. That's all I'm trying to say. So, consolidating on this one as well. I'll put a support level down here. It jumped on me just as I drew that line. Put it up here on the 5-minute. Trading below the VWAP on AMTD also. So I'm going to need to see some moves before I take any trades here. Tightening range though on ARTL with the high of the move here, and then you got to pull back and looking for a lower high. I try to find the levels that other people will be looking at so that I'm trading in the same spots as other traders, giving me a higher probability of success. So less than 1 minute till the market opens. I don't know, things are looking a little different this morning. I recall from yesterday, I didn't actually trade yesterday, I took the day off. But the day before, I traded in the simulator, and I remember not taking advantage of some of the trading opportunities that were there. And so I'm a little cautious now. I'm thinking that I want to play it cautious today, especially now seeing this price action that I'm seeing today. Things are looking a little kind of sideways and downish, and so I'm just going to be cautious, that's all. So the market's open. Can't trade that first 1 minute. Okay, so ARTL. With a nice move so far. So that's a good sign. Can it hold? Or do we pull back to this support area down here, 554? Red for now. Breaking down on AMTD, so everybody kind of consolidating and pulling back here. I kind of like FRZA there. I'm going to buy the dip, the pullback to the support on ARTL. Taking a trade over here on Megl, MEGL. That was stock from yesterday. This one breaking down. I'm not liking that. I'm just going to jump back out of it. Take a loss. $850 loss on it. Taking partial profit here on FRZA. I'm going to sell the rest. Well, I don't know. I could wait and let it bounce a little more maybe. Move my stop loss up a little bit. Buying over here. I'm going to... Well, I was going to take the profit quick, but I'm going to take my profit on FRZA there while I've got it. Let's see if we can get continuation here on AMTD. Okay, I'm going to take half there. And I'm going to just sell the other half up at the VWAP there. So let's recap real quick. You saw the trades I took here on these three stocks. I didn't show you the one I took over here on MEGL. And let's see if I remember now. I'm pretty active already this morning. Oh yes, MEGL. It doesn't look the same as it did when I took the trade on MEGL. This first 1 minute candle had closed, and we opened here and we pulled back a little bit down to the EMAs. And I bought it. I punched the order twice with my stop loss down here at the low. And as it broke out over the top of this resistance here, I sold everything for a quick $2,760. Glad I did. Look at that drop. Okay. It's a little unnerving. I don't remember MEGL doing that yesterday. So AMTD breaking out here up towards 3. Oh, wow. I'm going to buy the dip there at $3. I'm going to sell right there. And I'm going to sell right there. Making a quick profit on that. I don't know if you saw that. You had to be quick on that. It broke through 3. It pulled back. I jump in it 3 times. And as it's moving back up, I sell it some more. Now, I could have held one of those for, look at that, for a move higher. Could have done that. That for sure would have been a nice way to go. Oh, failing over here now too. So maybe getting that further consolidation now down to 750. We do have a support here, but I'm looking at 750 on ARZA or FRZA, my bad. looking for a break through the high over here, selling and selling, so making a little bit there. I bought that. And over here, looking for that move through $3, or not through, but the back test off of $3, looking for, it's not breaking right away. I don't like that it's not breaking right away, so I just got back out. But over here, I had jumped in it as we were breaking through the VWAP and sold as we broke over the high. Yeah, buddy. See, over here on MEGL, I want to take this trade as we broke through the high of day. But what I'm worried about is this. You see that candle on that much volume? That's kind of a red flag. I'm afraid it's going to do that again. And I like the pullback here on the 5-minute, you know, to the VWAP. And maybe you see continuation in a breakout over 22. Just like, I'm not comfortable after seeing that drop like that. I'm going to sell everything right there. That was, oh, I sold it too soon. TGL. The reason why I sold TGL is when I got into it, if you look down here, I got into it here. I have to zoom out so you can really see this. The spread on this is really wide. It was like 20 cents when I jumped in it. I was automatically down 20 cents. So as soon as I saw green, I just got out because it's like, it's hard to make money on a stock where the spread is that wide. And the spread is the difference between the bid and the ask, if you're wondering about that. If you want to learn more about the bid and the ask, you can research that. I don't have any instructional videos out on that yet. They are coming in the near future. So things kind of consolidating, pulling back. I'm just going to watch. Kind of try to figure out what my next move might be. I'm going to buy that AMTD there. And the reason why is we have that support down in this area. See this area right here? It's kind of hard to see with all those lines, but... And I'm just going to go ahead and take that profit right there. I'll buy a pullback on it. I might add if it wants to make a move higher. So 314 is the high that we want to get over. Okay, I'll add there. Now that might not have been the best spot to add. I'm going to sell and sell. So I didn't like that I added so high. Oh, and that's a nice breakthrough. Let's see, can I get a pullback on that? I don't like my stop loss. I'm getting back out, taking a small loss on that. I'm going to move my stop to something more like 10 cents. I'll buy the dip there. I want to see that hold. Move my stop to the bottom of that candle. So I'm risking $200. It comes down more. Okay, it stopped me out. So taking another loss. 2 losses in a row on AMTD. And it breaks out anyways. Try it again here. We'll see if we get anything off of it. Making back what I lost anyways. So that wasn't too bad. That was a quick scalp trade as it pulled back below the low of this candle. It pulled back. I jumped in it and sold as it broke back out over that high. This is an advanced form of trading. You don't have to trade this way. You can find a strategy that works for you. This just works well for me. That's why I struggle in the small account challenge, because I can't trade that way. I have to buy and hold in the small account. And you can see me tomorrow morning trading live in the small account if you tune in. See, again, I feel like I did the last time I traded, where I feel like I'm not taking advantage of my opportunities. I'm not trading to the best of my abilities here. I missed most of this move. Even though I'm up good on the stock, it just feels like I missed out. I know. I didn't really miss anything, but I mean, I understand I'm not going to capture the entire move up. It's just that I know that I can do better. All in all, I'm up $9,677. Looking for a move here on ARTL. My stop losses are really far away, so I bought a bunch of times. I need to adjust my stop loss. I'm actually going to move my stop losses up. I'm going to sell partial there, so I'm not risking so much. Oops. I'm going to sell a little more. Hold the rest. There we go. Oops. All right. See it coming up there. Okay, I'll just sell it there. So I'm making back most of what I lost. I was down 400 on that. Now I'm up, or down only 50. I would like to say that I'm green on all my stocks, but I'm not going to trade with that mentality. We could see a pullback here to 530. Might have an EMA cross in the making. So I've been trading for 12 minutes. I'm up over $10,000 in 12 minutes. So this one failed here. It's a 5-minute candle that is halfway through. We could pull back to 313. That's that high of day breakout. Pull back to 313 could be a pretty good trade. I don't know. Trading below the VWAP on everything except for AMTD. I want to buy this for the break, but we have a triple top here now, and it just doesn't seem to want to get through that 575 level. I'm a little apprehensive about jumping in that because of it, because it's just struggling. I might be interested in a pullback. I'm keeping an eye on FRZA over here. If it comes down to that 750 area, I might want to buy that. I almost punched the buy button on AMTD right there. Now that red candle closing like that. So we also have we have a double, almost triple bottom here. Now, I was thinking about buying this, but I want to wait. If it breaks out and goes without me, that's fine. I want to wait for a pullback on it. Okay, AMTD. See if it can come back to the VWAP. Maybe come down to towards $3. Got a new 5-minute candle. Take a starter on it there. I'm just gonna sell it there. It's not moving as quick as I wanted. I sold it for a little bit of profit. Taking a starter on ARTL. I'm gonna look now for that break through the VWAP and then through the high of 575 if it'll give it to me. In a little bit high. Breaking there. There we go. That's really nice. Okay. Could try to buy a pullback, but now my stop loss is a little tight. I'm gonna have to adjust that. That'd be a nice pullback to buy right there. But I kind of missed it, so. Yeah, I see AMTD now pulling back. Let's see, coming back to $3. Might have been a little premature on that. Let's see if we get the little bounce. I'm just gonna get back out. It makes me nervous, is what that does. I mean, I like this 2-bar pullback. This is oftentimes a place where you might see a stock bounce when you see a long red candle and then a shorter red candle like this. There's the break on ARTL. Oops. Well, didn't make much on that. I see it's up against $6 now, so I don't really want to buy it there. It'd be pretty cool if we got above the high of day. I'm in AMTD, but it's just not going, so I'm going to get back out, take a small loss on it. Could be a bear flag. I could buy it there. I want to see it hold that low. What was that low? It's right there. It's got to hold like 306. Nice move over here on FRZA. Took some profit on it. Let's see. So I was gonna exit over here, but I took a loss on it. You know, just a small loss. Risking that $300. Coming back down to 3 now. I'll buy that. on AMTD. Might take a loss on it again. I'm gonna get back out AMTD. I'm taking too many losses on it. This is nice here on FRZA. I would like to buy that. I'll try it. See if we get the break. Gonna move up towards the VWAP. I'll sell some there. I'll just sell the rest there. Baby steps. That's what I'm doing. Taking baby steps. Oh, breaking through 6 over here now. But coming up to that high of day, that's not a place where I want to be buying. I would rather it break through, move up a little ways, and then pull back. And I'll buy a pullback to the high of day. I'm kind of done trading over here on MEGL and TGL. They're both just, you know, below the VWAP. Especially TGL because of the wide spread that it has. I don't really want to trade it. I feel like I was lucky that I actually made money on it. Taking my profit, taking my profit. So that wasn't too bad. See, we had this candle that pulled back. It was a bear break, bull break. Technically, I probably should have held that, but I sold it at the high of day. Oh, is it going to get halted, maybe? It's really making some nice moves here. Just a quick hit for me there. Again, you know, not taking real good advantage of that opportunity, but so I'm up over $15,000 on the day. This is by far my biggest day of this challenge. I want to take a trade on what looks like a nice bounce here. What I don't like is this 5-minute candle with that upper wick, how we failed. Not a big fan of that. I oftentimes look at the bigger time frames. to tell me whether or not I want to get in on a smaller time frame. Well, FRZA definitely making that nice move. We did have this. Oh, look at that. So that's a good place for it to turn around and possibly fail and come back down. Coming up against that descending resistance line. I wouldn't be surprised to see it drop back now. At any rate, I'm not going to trade it up against this level. It's a lower probability setup. It could break out and go, but I'm not willing to risk it. I was hoping to take another trade on AMTD, but it's really been giving it up here. Had this really nice move and breakout, and now just this scissors look, and we might see a little bounce here. I'm gonna jump back in it here for a possible bounce. I like the scissors. If you don't know what I mean by scissors, to me this looks like a scissors. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what I call it. Generally on something like this, when you get that, it's not a perfect one. You get a big green candle up and a big red candle down. Eventually, you're going to consolidate and see a bounce back up towards the high, but you're not going to break through the high most times. So by getting in here, I'm taking a chance that this is the bottom and we're going to see break. I do like this, but I don't like that 5-minute candle. Moving my stop loss up a little bit there. I'm going to take some profit. I'm not going to hold the whole thing all the way up. Just taking some of it, being protective. Don't want to get too greedy here. I would like to see a bounce up towards... I'm anticipating a bounce up towards like 317 up in this area. 2-bar pullback here on ARTL. It's a consolidating pattern. I could buy here, but I don't like that as an entry. Get rid of some of these lines. Oops. So really we have a support right here. This pivot's being tested again. Oops. Looking kind of weak over here. I'm back out on AMTD. Yeah, now it's coming down a bit. I'm gonna watch this. We just had a bear break. Oop, okay, never mind. I was gonna say, if this is bear break, bull break, I'm jumping back in. But if we do break out over 304, I might still jump back in that. That would be interesting to me. Now there's that 541 level on ARTL. I have to keep in mind I'm trading a little bit later in the day than I normally would. So this 1 minute time frame can get a little choppy, a little sloppy. for that bear break, bull break on AMTD. It's almost looking like it's setting up for it. See a break through $3, and that's going to put me in the stock. Okay, I'm in it there. I'm going to move my stop loss up really tight though. See if we get some follow through here so I can sell half. Oops. Not looking the best there. Also watching FRZA over here. Oh, getting stopped out there. So it took about a $700 loss on AMTD. Another bounce opportunity. I don't know if I want to risk it. I keep taking losses on AMTD, keep giving back profit. I could try to buy off of this support. Might be a bear flag I just bought into there on FRZA, so I only bought once. I'm gonna risk it here on AMTD once again. Taking my profit over there on FRZA just so I don't have to watch two stocks at once. I'm actually gonna buy back in on that FRZA and sell that right there. So we're finally gonna get a move here on sell half at the VWAP. I'm gonna sell the rest. I'm just gonna get out of it there. It's making a really nice move. Obviously. So I'm really trading a lot today. And it's a choppy day. Oh, that really broke out nice. I really should have held that a little longer. But that's the bounce. So that's the bounce I was looking for. I would like to see a little more follow through than that. Well, it's 7:03. This is a lot later than I usually trade, and I did really good today. Up $16,914. My best day by far. This has been a really great day for me. There's another one here, ARTL. That's a trade I could take, but I'm done because it's getting so late, and I need to move on and do some other things. So that's going to be it for me. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something and got some valuable information out of this. And I will see you tomorrow morning live trading in the small account. And until then, have a good day. Happy Halloween.